Why Instagram not working today? How to fix Instagram today's problem and how can use Instagram properly without any fault, without any issue. Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix Instagram work issue and or Instagram not opening issue. So guys, let's start here. First of all, you need to like this video and please subscribe our channel to more videos and more issues fixed. So first of all, why Instagram not working? This is our device problem, not an Instagram problem, because many Instagram users can use their application, but some phones can't use their Instagram application. So let's start how to fix this issue. First of all, we're doing the first method. This is the first your step. Update your Instagram application. You need to go Play Store. Here is our Play Store. We're going to open our Play Store and their search is Instagram. It's Instagram here, and there we are searching Insta. When I will search here, I can see here application. I don't have installed it because I use others application. You need to update your application. If you have already updated done, so then skip this step. And if you don't have update your Instagram application, please install and then use. Maybe it's work properly. Now going to next step. This is our next step is what is the next step is saying it's a uninstall your app and reinstall from Play Store. So you need to your application uninstall. Why uninstall? Maybe sometime your IP address, your Wi-Fi IP address can't connect in Instagram application. So you need to first of all delete your Instagram, maybe uninstall, and then once again you can here is install button, click on install and then refresh our device maybe, and it will be working here. Many users use this trick and many users has been use Instagram now properly. So you can follow the second step, uninstall your Instagram application from your device, and again sometime after 5 to 10 minutes after install, again it's reinstall it and maybe it's work. Now going to our third step. Here is our third step, which is the third step is a check your internet connection. Maybe and maybe not, only sometime users can't use their Instagram because they don't have good internet connection, or sometime no have internet connected, maybe only seeing connected icon but there is no internet provider provide in your phone. So maybe this is a problem. So you need to check your internet connection. Once again you need to go Google and there search it in my internet connection speed checker, and you can speed check there and then use your application. Now our fourth step is there is clear all Instagram app data from setting. You need to go settings. There will be go settings. There's after going settings you need to open, this is a application or maybe application manager. Different types of device has been different settings, but you need to open application, installed application, where click here and you need to select your application Instagram, and then you need to go your application storage data and you need to clear cache and also clear all data. So this is our fourth step, and maybe it's step where because many users also use their Instagram in the following this step. Sometime our device has been used many data and then we can't use Instagram as a properly. So this is our fourth step, and last step is here. You can see here, if everything done but still not working, then use Instagram website for some time. Sometime Instagram crashed here your device, so you need to uninstall it and use Instagram website. There is also Instagram provide their website, so you can use there are also all features available which is a provided application. So you can use Chrome browser in and open an Instagram website. There is also some many features, so you can do also. This is a fourth, and this is the fifth trick I will provide you. If you don't have any solution yet, please comment below. I will try to give more information, but also give me your mobile name so I can find your issue. Please like and please click on subscribe button.